Hello, welcome to my channel. My cat says hi. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to split text both to rows and to columns. So I have a simple data set here. I have, let's say this is a company, they sell tickets for some sort of training, and we have the attendees in just one column. But let's say I want to have them in several columns. We can do that by searching for the cell splitter node. This is the one I use mostly, but there is actually another node, but this is the most straightforward one. And we want to split the attendee name. We can decide to remove the initial column, and we need to tell it how it's delimited. In this case, it's simply a comma, but usually I just have a guess, especially in instances where it varies. And you want it to output as new columns. So you click on OK, and you run this. Now you have them in new columns. Now in a case like this is not really ideal, honestly, because then you have to go into every one to rename it, and you might have many. But in cases where maybe, for instance, you have state and country together and you want to split them, you can easily use this and then rename the first column state and the second one country. For this specific data type, it's going to make more sense. It's going to make much more sense for you to split it to rows. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So to split to rows, all you have to do is tell it to output for you as a list, and then you click on run. Now you can see it's a list. So what you have to do now is you need to look for the ungroup node in KNIME and connect this to that. You don't really have to configure because it's going to detect that this needs to be ungrouped, and you run this. Now you have a table. So if I wanted to see, how much did each person spend in total, I can, for instance, get a group by node and group it by the attendee. Of course, you want to change this name using the column rename, and I want to do the ticket price, and I want to do a sum. So having the data in this structure allows you to do some analysis. So Anthony spent the most. So this is how you can split your data into columns or rows depending on your use case, depending on what's best for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy my content, if you find it useful, consider subscribing. And you can also sign up for notifications so that you know once I post something. I'm really endeavoring to post more often. I'm actually making a bunch of videos and scheduling them out to release once a week. So you're going to have a lot more content coming your way. If you have any specific questions, feel free to ask me, and I could try to make a video to address that specific challenge or specific concern or question you have with mine. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.